Hey, you guys. This is a video on white noise. It's basically, I don't want to say the wrong thing, but when each frequency makes a noise on at the same time or the same pitch. I'm sorry, I can't give y'all more information about it, but you can look it up. White noise. Jules' white noise that he likes to hear is a vacuum cleaner. Whenever he gets tired or sleepy or fussy and is crying for no reason, so on and so forth, we put on the vacuum cleaner, the noise. And as you can tell, he's tired, but if you attempt to rock him right now because he just wants to do his own thing, he's gonna cut up. All right, so I'll basically demonstrate that for y'all. It normally takes Jules 10 minutes with the white noise on to fall asleep. He can be in a cry at the top of his lungs and just don't want to stop. Long as I put on the vacuum cleaner, he'll be perfectly fine. If he's sick and he's fighting his sleep, we put it on, he stops crying. And the reason I know it's the noise that's putting him to sleep and not just us holding him or whatever is because in the car I tried it out. He was crying and I put on the noise. And he stopped crying, began to look around. I turned off the noise after he stopped and he started back. I turned the noise back on and he stopped crying. So that's how I was able to know that, it was the noise that was stopping him other than just him stopping on his own. So I'm going to demonstrate. Like I said, he's a little upset right now, but that's because he'd rather be nosy than to go to sleep. But he's tired. Right, mama, baby? You tired, huh? What you mean, but, man? All right. Let's see. You pacifier. Hold on. All right. Ugh. He just held back a yawn. I'm not sure y'all saw, but he did. He's getting tired, as y'all can see. Also, if y'all have a pacifier or whatever normally puts them to sleep, you can also, give it to them while you're rocking them. Of course, it will help. As y'all see, his eyes are getting low. He's even starting to roll in his head because he's so tired. But because the noise playing, he's fighting it. Put it back in the mouth. Well, you guys, I got to show y'all. Now, that's just with him being semi-tired already before I actually put on the vacuum cleaner noise. If you would like me to demonstrate him fussy and then turning it on, just comment below and let me know. And I'll demonstrate him crying like whenever he decides to have a tantrum. And I'll put on a vacuum cleaner and show y'all how it actually affects him. But I'll have to at least catch him when he decides to have a tantrum. Just let me know though.